Welcome, everyone. Today, I want to share a powerful story with you, the story of Sarah, a real person who fell victim to the deceptive world of deepfakes. Although Sarah's name has been changed to protect her identity, her experience is a cautionary tale about the dangers of this emerging technology. Sarah, a successful professional and a loving mother, lived a happy life. One day, she received a message from a seemingly trustworthy source congratulating her on winning a vacation contest. Overjoyed, she clicked on the link, hoping to plan a dream getaway for her family. Little did Sarah know that this message was nothing but a trap. The link led her to a convincing deepfake website, prompting her to enter personal information. Trusting the source, Sarah innocently provided her details. Sarah's world was turned upside down days later. Her bank account had been drained, and her identity was stolen. Only then did she realize she had been scammed through the sinister manipulation of deepfake technology. Sarah's story is just one of many real-life examples that highlight the grave risks posed by deepfakes. Today, I want to take a few moments to raise awareness about this increasingly prevalent threat in our digital world. Deepfakes, as we've seen with Sarah's experience, are synthetic media that use AI algorithms to create incredibly realistic but entirely fabricated content. They can be used to manipulate images, videos, and even audio, making it nearly impossible to distinguish fact from fiction. The consequences of falling victim to deepfake scams can be devastating, from financial loss to reputational damage and even emotional distress. But how can we protect ourselves from this digital deception? The first step is to become familiar with the signs of deepfakes. Pay close attention to inconsistencies in the content, unnatural facial expressions, or a lack of synchronization between audio and video. Also, beware of messages from unknown sources claiming too good to be true offers. Scammers often use deepfakes to lure unsuspecting victims into providing personal information. It's essential to stay vigilant while browsing the internet and engaging on social media. Verify the authenticity of any unusual or sensational content before sharing it with others. Reach out to credible sources or perform a quick online search to see if the information is corroborated by multiple reliable sources. If you encounter suspected deepfakes, report them to the platform or authorities immediately. Reporting helps prevent the spread of misinformation and protects others from falling prey to the same scams. Lastly, let's all play a role in raising awareness about deepfakes. Share this information with your friends, family, and colleagues, empowering them to recognize and combat this digital deception. Together, we can create a safer digital environment and protect one another from the harmful effects of deepfake scams. As we conclude today's session, let Sarah's story remind us of the natural and immediate threat that deepfakes pose. By staying informed, vigilant, and spreading awareness, we can build a strong defense against this digital menace. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, in the world of deepfakes, let's be thoughtful, cautious, and united. Stay safe, and until next time, let's stand together to #StopDeepfakes.